Hello everyone. So in this video we will be doing our analysis for 5th of August. That will be the weekly expiry. Now today we did not continue as we did yesterday. Yesterday we kind of had this one-sided rally, but today we opened gap up. We made this small move to the upside and then we went kind of sideways. This is expected because now if we see that then we have this entire rally in front of us starting from 15,500 till 16,300 almost on the future levels. So it is expected that we might have a slight sideways market here. So tomorrow we can expect that a small correction is also possible, but I wouldn't expect that the market comes down too much because after a breakout, so if we consider this entire move as a consolidation or a correction and then this is a breakout, then I don't think that we'll have too much of a correction. Maybe it can be time wise that we can go sideways here or something like this to the downside, but not fast. So that is possible. But in case if we start coming down like this, then I would doubt this breakout because as we have seen earlier that after the breakouts, if we go on the daily chart and if we look that after the breakouts, we usually move in one side direction and don't have too much correction. So I will expect the same here, and if we are retracing too much, let's say coming down back to, let me go on the 1 hour. Let's say we are coming back to these levels again, then I would say that there is something wrong. Even till, if it comes till here, around 16,000 levels back again, then I'll consider this something to be a false breakout because after the breakout we shouldn't come this far. Now for support and resistance level, I don't think we'll find too much accumulation here because we have kind of had a sideways move to the upside. One-sided move to the upside. So we go on the 5-minute chart, and if we draw our volume profile, maybe till here in this rally, then I would say this today's gap up will act as our immediate support and then this zone. So if we have to mark supports, then 15,100 and 16,150 and then this 16,050. These will be our important levels. But if we are coming back to these levels of 16,050, you have to be careful because then the pattern will not look good, as after the breakout we should not come back down this much. It is possible, but that will raise some concern. Most likely if we are doing some correction, we should do this, maybe come a little further and then reverse. If we are coming till here, then we have to look again. For Bank Nifty, as we discussed yesterday, that if we open above the support, above the resistance, so this was our resistance. Let me draw it again. So this was our resistance, first resistance, and here was second resistance, and this is where we found resistance yesterday. So we talked about that if we open above the resistance, then it's going to act as support and we are likely moving to the next resistance area. So we went till here, retraced around this level and then moved up again near to 36,255. Now we have to go back on the bigger time frame to look for other support and resistance levels. So we'll go to the 1 hour chart or even 4 hour chart and then try to find the resistances. So if you draw a volume profile here in this zone, then our most important resistance was at this level, and then after this I don't see much resistance in this area, and I think if we start to rally tomorrow again, then it is possible that we can reach to the highs of the previous uptrend, which was this. So it is possible that if we continue this trend, we can reach till 37,500. But let's say if we gap down tomorrow and then we start coming back to these levels, then it will be a problem. Same as Nifty, that if we start coming back to these levels of these lower levels near 16,000, and for Bank Nifty near 35,400, if we start coming back, then it will be a bad signal. We have to continue this rally now in fast and speed way and no bigger price wise correction. It can be time wise correction, that is it goes sideways, but we should not have price wise corrections. So let's look at Bank Nifty again, bit closer. Let's go on the 1 hourly. So I think today we found resistance near this area because this is where the selling started. So we found some resistance near these levels of this high. So this is where we found some resistance yesterday. This level has already been tested. So I would say that next level of resistance will be around near 36,850. So yes, if we start to move up today, then we can expect some resistance at 36,850. In case we start going down and we go back to this level yesterday's resistance level, then I would not consider going long again, because after breakouts we should not have this big of a correction. So I hope both these scenarios are clear. We should be going up, but in case if we have a fall to the downside, then we have to be careful. If there is a sideways correction, then there is nothing to worry, and then we can continue our rally later. So I hope everything is clear. So this will be it for the video. Thank you.